you can see like mode is like it's tells us what are the attributes of this file, right? Currently it is archive only, like means it is ready for backup. So in case I want to set it as read only, what I can do is set hyphen item, set hyphen item property, right? So path is like path is like let me copy this from here and this one. And now I should see the property, like maybe name of property, right? Name of property is read only, right? Because name of property, like as you can see, this is the property of a file. These are the properties of this file. So one of the properties is read only, right? And its value is false. So what I can do is I can make its value as true. Means now this file is uh, read only. Is this file read only? True. Yes. So if I run this command, and if I run this command again, can you see this time AR means this file has become read only. Can you see?
Yes,
So,
yes.
so these are the options, like how we can make a file read only or maybe hidden. So like in case we want to make some file hidden, we are not seeing any such option over here, like, right? We are seeing only option for read only. In case we want to make some file hidden or maybe like system file, so how we can make that? For that, actually we have some different option. We cannot make that using this like set hyphen item property. We can set the property of an item in case we can see the property of that item in property list, but we are not seeing any property as hidden, right? So we have some different way for to do that. Like we can set the attributes, like what we are seeing here is like what we are seeing here is mode means attributes. It's a set of attribute basically, like hidden file, whether it's a system file or like that. So suppose I want to make this file a hidden file. What I can do is I have a trick for that, and that is like what I can do is for each object, what I have to do is for each object perform a command, and that command is like for each object. And can you see, like this time I'm getting some more properties like attributes, base item, and all these things, and mode as well I'm seeing, right? If I select attribute and set its value, like this file is hidden, right? And this file is also read only, like this file is also read only, right? And this file is also maybe ready for archive, right? And bracket close. So in this way, what I am doing is I am setting the attributes of this file in this way. This should be the attributes of this file after change. So if I run this command and if I try to list the file again, can you see like why I'm getting this error? Any idea like why it is not able to find the file, but till seconds before this file was there? So any
Yes,
idea?
Lakshmi, because yes, now this file is in hidden state. That's why
Ah,
it's unable to fetch it.
exactly. So what we can do for this is force, and now we are able to list it. And if you can see the attributes, it is saying as ready for archive, it's read-only file, and it's hidden file. Getting my point,
Yeah.
right? So this is the way we can make a file read-only or hidden, or we can unhide a file, and that way, right? So we can do in this way.